This is a maintenance video. I've been off for a couple weeks now, and I was doing a bunch of different things. I'm not getting that bald, am I? Anyways, God's awesome. God is good. Yeshua Adonai Elohim, Baruch Adonai Adonai Yahweh Yeshua, Baruch Adonai Adonai Shalom. Anyways, since the last I was on here, I have come to the conclusion that I'm going to be doing 3 videos a week, so I'm not drowning everybody with videos every day. And even though nobody really watches these, but hey, at least I'm putting them out there. Again, the fear thing. A little bit update on my story. I'm more likely going to end up suing McDonald's, which is pretty much happening because I walked into the store and I was putting on my mask and they yelled at me and said you were taking too long and called the cops, which they do have a right by law to refuse service to anybody. But the nastiness, the rudeness, the disrespect, the way they treated me was completely horrendous, and I am not going to agree with it, nor am I going to side with it. I'm not going to be okay with that. And since they want to put a citation on me and charge me with, oh, well, you're on the property and all this other, no. If you want to be a restaurant, you have to open up to people. If you're not going to open up, you're not going to get customers. And of course, the fear thing. Oh my God, we're all going to die of COVID. Yeah, okay. President Trump just got over COVID. I got over COVID. My family got over COVID. Yes, people are going to die. Do we want that? No. But is everybody on the planet going to die? No. Okay? When you live and breathe in fear, you're going to die in fear. When you live and breathe in hope, you're going to live. Hope in Jesus. Look, I'm gonna start putting a video out every 3 days, every 3 times a week. One video is gonna be Saturday night, which is gonna be Sunday morning. Saturday night is gonna come up Sunday morning. One video is gonna be on Wednesday, and one video is going to be on Friday. No, Tuesday and Thursday were the days, and they're gonna be up Wednesday and Friday. So I'm thinking 3 videos a week would be good. Look, I love you guys. This is a short video because of maintenance. Sorry that it took me a couple weeks to get things back up and running. But again, left and right, I get attacked on all sides. And being attacked just proves that I'm a man of God. If I be a man of God, may... calling down fire is not something we're supposed to do because we're supposed to love people. Well, love and God bless. Shalom.